Yep.
So this is supposed to be my pup harness, I think, from China. And it is my black pup harness.
Lower it. Lower it. Lower it. Oh. There you go. Okay.
Okay. Next, we have a camera tripod. Of course, a lot of packaging. Nothing, nothing, nothing. All that packaging in this little thing. Cute little sticker thing. The mount for your camera.
I thought it was supposed to be bendable.
It is.
It is?
Yep.
My bad. Because they just look like straight legs.
And
but
there's the remote shutter. And there it is, and it is bendable.
oh, they are. Oh, bendable it is.
See?
My bad. My apologies.
No, see, that's perfect.
Nice.
Turn that on. That's the camera shutter. Mouthpiece. Maybe I should read directions before I put things together.
Yeah.
I'm going to eat first. That's the unboxing.
That's it?
Yep.